It's freezing out here. I'm in my BMW i3. You can probably see my breath. I don't know if you can see that on camera. But as I mentioned in a previous video, the heater is out. It just doesn't work. It blows, but it doesn't blow cold. Today is the day we take it to BMW. We're going to Sharp BMW in Grand Rapids, Michigan. This is on 28th Street near Eastern. And we'll let them have a look at it and see what they find. You're going to know before you stop watching this video what happened and what it cost. But right now, I'm getting ready to pull out to go there. I have no idea what it'll cost. So in the comments, you know, about 48 seconds in this video, let me know what you think it'll cost. I think I'm going to spend about $2,000. I'm also asking them to do the range extender oil change. I would do it myself. I have a friend in Canada that taught me how, Andy Sue from Toronto, but I don't want to. I'm cold. I don't have a garage. I'm going to let them do it. So we'll see. What will it cost for the oil change for the range extender, and what will it cost for the heater replacement? This is the BMW i3 Rex 2017. I believe it does not have the heat pump. If it's the Rex, is what I understand from the internet, which always sets me in the right direction. But here we go. So I'm going to stop talking, start driving, and then here's what happened in the future. Okay, I'm coming to you 8 days in the future from what you just saw. Just picked up the BMW i3, just took it home. Sarah's driving because we dropped off the BMW to charge because some reason they felt the need to use all my battery. When they did the oil change and changed the heater out, they had to do some driving, I guess. But here's the total. Are you ready for this? Drum roll. Hey, before I get to that, I thought you might like to see exactly what it says on the receipt deal that they gave me. Ready? I'm just gonna read this. Customer states heater is blowing cold air. Please check. Red fault memory, found faults for electric heater, temporary fault reset, ran further diagnosis, checked power, ground, and signal wires for the heater, found to be proper. Found heater to be faulty, replaced electrical heater assembly, refilled and bled cooling system, tested operation. Heat is operative at this time. Yes, it is. Now let's get to the price. $2,598, I think it was. I'll make a screenshot and put it up, but $2,500 plus to get the heater replaced and to get the oil change done on the range extender. So there you go. Hey, interesting little point. I picked it up and now it makes a creaking noise in the steering wheel that wasn't there before. Like when you turn, it goes creak, 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 creak. So we'll play that out for a few days before I talk to them about it. Maybe they took it apart and put it back together. It takes some time to work its way in. Maybe they lube some stuff. Maybe there's snow chunks under there. We'll see. Hey, thanks for watching this Chad Drive Lightning, the Positively Charged YouTube channel. And this is my BMW Fix experience. It's back to being my favorite car. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the members that keep the wheels turning on the Positively Charged YouTube channel. You people rock. Check it out. Another video about the BMW i3 right there. Have a great day.